Hi everybody. Today our topic is mainly this is our topic today, how to monitor server health with Perpmon in JMeter plugin manager Apache JMeter tool. Apache JMeter tool. The what are the in the based on the concept the mainly using for JMeter server performance monitor plugin download after Perpmon agent download connect your CMD to plugin manager agent okay. After Perpmon plugin jar added the JMeter lib folder, two jars and ext folder, add two jars. Okay, these are the general things now you need to do, and sample test, run and validate. Okay, this is our main task. Topic is how to monitor server health with Perpmon in JMeter plugin manager Apache JMeter tool. Apache JMeter tool. The JMeter plugin manager means JMeter server performance monitor plugin. Otherwise you need to call Perpmon. You can mention that one. Perpmon server performance monitor plugin. You need to download that one. Okay, go to download manager. You need to download. After Perpmon agent, you need to download. Connect your CMD means your command prompt to. You need to connect to the plugin manager agent. You need to start the agent and you need to connect. I will show you how we need to connect. After Perpmon plugin jars, you need to add it to the JMeter lib folder, two jars, and ext folder, two jars. After restart JMeter tool. Okay, after you need to restart the JMeter. Just sample test you need to run and you need to validate it's able to successfully working or not. Okay guys, uh, now you need to start the working, how we need to set up, how we need to download, what are the things you need to done. Now I need to show. Okay, first I will go to open to the my JMeter. I will open my folder, go to the E folder. I am everything placed to the E folder only. In E folder, this is my Apache JMeter 5.4.1 latest one. You need to open this one. Go to bin. Okay, you need to open directly Apache JMeter. Otherwise, this there is a window batch files now. You can see JMeter window batch file. You need to double click now. You will open. I will open generally Apache JMeter executable jar file. Just double click. You need to open. You can wait just 1 minute. You will open that one. Yes. Yeah, this is my JMeter tool latest 5.4.1. Okay. Now you need to add to the jar files. You need to download the jar files. Okay, you can go to the open any one browser. I will take the Google Chrome. Okay, now you need to start the first. You need to download this one, JMeter Perpman server performance monitor plugin. You need to download. Okay, you can type the Perpman server performance monitor plugin download. Server performance monitor plugin. You can type, there is a, you can see this is the plugin. Okay, JMeter Perpman plugin. Yeah, you can see Perpman server, Perpman servers performance monitoring. Yeah, this is the main plugin. You can go this location. Yeah, there is the download. Okay, you can see servers performance monitoring. Okay, servers performance monitoring. You need to download this one. Okay, I'm already downloaded, guys. This is the plugin manager. You will see I'm already download this one. I'll show you that one. Okay, you can see I'm already downloaded and unzip. Okay, I'm already downloaded unzip. This is the JP updated GC Perpman 2.1. You can go to the lib. You can see there is a two plugins, JMeter plugins CMN JMeter 0.4 and Perpman 2.2.2. Okay, first of all, this both are you need to copy and you need to go to the JMeter, go to the lib folder. In lib folder only you need to paste. Okay, I'm already pasted. I will show you where is that one. Yeah, you can see this one, JMeter plugins. You can see JMeter plugins CMN JMeter 0.4 1. After second one is the where is that one, this one, Perpman 2.2.2. okay, these two jars you need to add it to the JMeter lib folder, first one. Next you need to go to the our folder place. This is lib. Both lib you need to add it to the JMeter lib folder. Now you need to go to the the downloaded Perpman plugin ext. There is another two plugins, means jar files, JMeter plugin manager 0.20 or 0.20. After JMeter plugin manager 1, JMeter plugin Perpman 2.1, both you need to copy. You can go to the JMeter and JMeter, go to lib and go to the ext. You can see I'm already added that one also. in JMeter plugins Perpmon 2.1 I added. After JMeter plugin manager 0.20 both I added. You can see there is another one, JMeter plugin manager 1.7. this is different. Okay, generally I will add it to the JMeter plugin manager. This one is already available in your system on JMeter ext folder also. Both you need to add. One is JMeter plugin Perpmon 2.1 and JMeter plugin manager 0.20. Okay, both you need to add it now. This is one part is completed. Okay, this one is done. Now we need to go to Perpmon agent. You need to download. You can go to the in folder. First one, download the Perpmon plugin. Okay, in mainly this Perpmon plugin, just you need to go and download, that is leave it. You don't do that way. Just you need to read this one. What is the purpose will be created. Okay, there are so many developers will be develop this all the things. Just you need to read one time. Okay, server performance monitoring. This is mainly will monitoring the CPU, memory, swap, disk, network, and remainings also. There are so many features will be provided, but the plugin is look like this way. This is the server performance monitoring. You need to provide the missions. Example, my computer is the local mission. That reason I will provide the local host. Otherwise I will provide my system IP. Okay, but reality in company point of view, there is a different load generators. Okay, your request will be hit to the servers. That reason that server's IP address you need to provide. There are two IP address will be provided, and port number will provided. Mostly will work 4444 only. Okay, this server side, this plugin will work only. The Perpmon agent will work. The port is 4444. Otherwise 4445. This only majorly will work only 4444 only. One is the IP address type. One is mission names. How you need to find out this IP address. This is the IP address, mission IP address. Otherwise this is the host names. Administrators will directly will provided this way only. Just I will show you how we need to find the mission name or IP address. You can type the CMD. You can open that one. Okay, this is my personal computer. How we need to find out now? In your IP address, you can type the in Windows computers IP config in Windows computer. Same only in Unix or Linux or Mac computer. IF config, IP config na same only IF config. You need to type na, you will find out. In Windows computers only I will show you IP config. Yeah, there is a IPv4 address. This is my computer IP address. You can see I will find out this one. This is my IP address. I will go and save this one. This is my IP address. Okay, host name. How we need to find out the host name? Now directly you can type the host name. Same only Mac also. Okay, you can type the host name. This is my computer host name. You can give it to the IP address or host name. Anyone you need to provide na. The plugin will be captured that request. Okay, this is the way you need to find out the IP address and host name. Okay, after. Okay, what are the metrics you selected na? Metric collector, CPU, memory, network, disk, swap. You know what is the swap? Swap in, swap out. How you need to read, write all the things now. You need to learn this all the things. It's a very important for the as for the performance testers, not for the functional or automation peoples is not required. Automation people will using in JMeter only API testing purpose only, SOAP and REST. In performance peoples, performance testers, it's morely look like from the in test running time, what is the health for in servers, what is the utilizations in CPU, memory, network, disk, swap in, swap out. Okay, this all the thing means latency. That not only this one, there are so many things you need to checking under the test. Okay, that reason this all the things you need to provide. Okay, this is the old one. In new plugins now you will, how we need to provide it now. First one is you need to provide the host. It's a local host or a host name or IP address. Second one, generally there is a matrix you need to select. Example, previous, this is the old one, site is not updated, is showing from CPU, memory, which one you need to select. But this point of view, in mission place only you need to, there is a one drop down box available. You need to select CPU or memory, network, disk, which one you need required, you need to select. You can provide the IP address or host name, and you need to provide the port. It's automatically generated 4444. That is the default for the plugin agent, I mean Perpon plugin agent. After, you need to select which metrics you need, and below this graph automatically will come how your test is executing and what is the utilizations. Okay, I will show you soon that one also. In metrics concept na, this is one of the important one you need to see, guys. This is the way will work to the in real time, but you also you need to work that one. But the problem is you have another computer. Okay, you need to, example, you need to test this type of one na? You have two computers, means two laptops. One computer you need to install to the this agent. Okay, where you need to download that agent na? You can see installation, server agent, tool, detailed description in place here. This is also developed to the Java only. This is the plugin agent. You need to click, you need to download this one. Okay, but how it work now? In real time, this all the things is servers. This all the things is server. This is your mission, means you need to run the test. You can use to JMeter or any tool. Majorly I will tell you this video only, JMeter only. In JMeter application, everything is deployed to the in server, and this agent also you need to place it to the all the servers. Before starting your test, you need to all the servers you need to log in and run this test. It's a very important, means that agent you need to run. Windows machine is .bat file, Linux machine is .sh file. You need to run. I will show you that one also. Once the test is started now, test means that agent is running. That time it's ready for the test. You need to start the test. That time JMeter will send the request to all the things to the servers, means servers and load balancers, all the things now. The request will be hit at that time. Each server you need to provide the, example, there are 4 servers. Example, these 4 servers, you can go to this place and you need to provide the that mission name, means host name or IP address. You need to provide the port name, and you need to select the which one metric you need. Example, I need CPU. You need to select now. CPU will show you how much metrics will be executed. You need to take the screenshot. You need to show to the test execution time. This is the utilization for the specific server. You know what will happen now? Majorly the load balancers, everything is working properly. There is no any issue. That time all the servers, the load balancer will distribute the load to the all the requests in same level. Okay, there are 5 servers and one, there is a load balancer now. The user request will transfer to the 100 request. You need to transfer to 5 servers. 20 20 20 will be transferred. But in sometimes what will happen now, all the request will moving to only any 2 servers or 1 server only will be hit. Remaining all the things is empty. Okay, that is not real performance testing now. You will design everything is right, but the hit to the server, that is also right, but the load will be distributed is wrong. There are around 5 servers now. There are 5 servers, but load will be only hitting to 1 or 2 servers only. That is not validating for the in performance from the server end. That are the situations you need to find out the before only na. you need to run the test, and you need to find out to this plugin manager agent user to, you need to easily capture and you need to show that one. But everything test running time only you need to take the screenshot. How we need to take now, you can go to in mainly Windows computer or Windows 7, means most of the clients will using Windows 7 only still, and Windows 7 it's already updates, everything is stopped, but still the companies, example a Bank of America and big companies, everything there is a separate team, okay, only developed to the upgrades and patches, everything will be developed ourselves only, and we will deploy it to the our Windows 7 computers and still running to the Windows 7 only. Okay, most of the people will trusted Windows 7, and everyone interestedly you need to working to Windows 7 only, not for Windows 10. Windows 10 and Windows 11 also it's not that much, the people is not using that one, means futures is available in Windows 10 also, but everything is hiding. But Windows 7 all futures is available in visible, the people is all educated or non-educated people also able to use. Okay, that purpose in Windows 7 only will use, and security also very good, and clients is very looking for Windows 7 only. Okay, now you need to take the snipping. Now you can go to search bar, you can type the snipping tool. This is general will using snipping tool. Okay, you can go to test running time, example I will capture the example something 40%. You can go to click on that one, you can capture the specific metric. Okay, you need to capture this one, this screenshot you need to show to your client na, there is a some proof. Okay, test execution time, this server will capture only 30%, remaining servers will capture 100%. Okay, you need to show that proof. Okay, that purpose only I will showing this one. Okay, okay, one is you need to install to the agent to the servers, and you need to monitor to the your server. The same test only you need to monitor, means same test you need to design now, you have two systems. Okay, you and your friend systems, anything you need to take, and your friend system you need to install to the agent. Okay, agent is installed, and you need to set up to the all the test, and you need to run the test in both are same Wi-Fi network, same plugin, same JMeter version. No, that time you need to perform. But now this is my local system, I will install to the everything in my system only, and my system only perform the test. Okay, I will show you that one also. Okay, okay, this is the agent guys, you need to download this one. Okay, you can click on it automatically download. Okay, I need to go to, I will show you that one. Yeah, you can see this is the server agent, means Perpmon server agent 2.2.3. I'm already downloaded, extracted. This is the file. You can see in Windows computers is everything is command line only. You can see this is the start agent, started agent.sh. This is Windows computers, you need to double click and you need to run. This one is Linux or Mac computers. Okay, now now I will show you one thing. Just you need to double click, you need to start that one. Once you started now, you will see there is a this one will become, it's a very important, you have successfully downloaded this one. You can see kg.apc.p binding UDP to 4444. This is the by default port, binding TCP to 4444. JP update GC agent version 2.2.3 started. Okay, it's a very important guys, this one. Okay na? Okay, this one will started successfully after. Okay, you can go to click on this one now, you will showing that one, some details will showed. Okay, I will show you that one. Okay, the build is passing perpman server agent. Okay, perpman server agent. Okay, this is the you need to download, but just you need to download and don't leave it. You need to read that one. That time only you need to understand what is that one, how we need to use everything. Okay, window computers start agent.bat, linux computers start agent.sh. Okay guys, this is video, that reason I will show you what are the important points only I will explain. Just you need to read one time. This is also useful only. This agent also will develop through Java language only. And important thing, this agent you need to run on your computer. It's a mandatory installed minimum. Example, I will go to command prompt. Need to type the java space hyphen version. You can see java space hyphen version. Minimum you need to install java 7 higher. I will install already 1.8. okay, java 8 I am already installed, jdk. okay, that is the java development kit or jre java runtime development. okay, 1.8 I installed, it's successfully working, no issue. okay okay After major points is by default port is 4444. You need to read this all the things. It's a very useful. And how you need to connect now, this is the way you need to connect. okay, first of all you need to open the in your mission in command prompt in the run as administrator privileges, and you need to type the telnet. Remember this one, telnet. okay, telnet localhost 4444. telnet means it's a command, you need to accept that one, connecting purpose and request. Localhost is your mission and 4444 is a port. okay, once is connected, if connection has succeeded, you should see the accepting new TCP connection message in server agent console.log. type test. The test is not showing guys, it's security. Just you need to type test and press enter. Telnet chart server should answer it short app. App means yes. okay, you need to exit now. You need to type the exit command, that's all. You can see there is a possible commands is already provided. You need to read all the things now, you will understand how you need to perform all the things. Exit directly will terminated. Test will request to the server in the connection. Shutdown, terminate all the client connection, shutdown directly. okay, remaining things also will useful, metrics and metrics single interval, all the things. But majorly this test you can use exit and test, you can learn, that is enough. And metrics also, it's important guys. Test, exit, metrics. okay, what are the things will be provided in perpman? You can see CPU, memory, network, disk, swap, TCP, tile, exec and JMX. this is the CPU matrix. You can see how many will provided, but everyone is using very less only. But you need to learning point of view, you can learn all the things. Implementation you can use based on your requirement, but you know all the things, you need to learn this all the things. okay, you can just spend 5 to 10 minutes time and you need to read all the things. okay okay connection is telnet space. this is my local mission. Need to copy that one. Space, you can see space after port is 4444. after you need to provide the test command. Test means test. Test command you need to provide. After metrics, you can see one time metric command. yeah, you can see metrics. yeah, same only need to type, otherwise it's not received. Metrics after exit or shutdown. These are the commands we'll use it generally. Okay, now you need to open to the in your command prompt. Open the command prompt and right click, run as administrator. Yeah, click on yes. Yeah, you can see it's open. Okay, you can take this one, telnet, IP address and port. Sorry, this one last one closed. This is my agent, this is my mission. You can see guys, this is the our mission. Okay, sorry. Yeah, this is the agent, this is our command prompt in administrator. You can paste all the things. Sorry, it's not missed. You can see, you can type na telnet 192.168.1.148 and 4444 and you need to enter na. You can see there is a first JPFG agent version 2.2.3 started and accepting new TCP connection. Accepting new TCP connection. That time you can see there is a telnet 192.168.1.148. Now what you need to type now? You can see guys, it's not showing that one. Okay, it did not show anything. You need to type in your keyboard test, T-E-S-T, T-E-S-T. You need to type, that's all. It's not typed. Okay, T-E-S-T you need to type. Click on enter. You can see it's showing the app. App means is accepted. App command will be showing. You can see app. He received the test command. Test I am already typed. Click on enter now. You will showing app. He received the test command. He accepted. App will become it's accepted. The server also is both are is connected. Okay. This is the concept. Is connected now. First one will done. Anything in telnet is not connected. Something will showing to internal and external command or not recognized. That type of issue will be showing now. That time what you need to do now. For example, you need to type now. You will showing internal external command is not recognized. That type of error will become. You need to type the this one. You need to type telnet this IP address and your local mission IP address and port number will type. You will showing to the internal external command is not recognized. That time you can go to the search bar, type the in Windows 10 computers only guys. This one only Windows 10. Windows 7 also same only. There is no any difference. Windows 11 I don't know. Still I am not using. Okay. You can type the sorry not this one. Control panel. You can go to control panel. You can open that one. Okay. Most of the time you selected the category model. Okay. This is the category model. It is not showing. And small icons also is not showing. You can type the large icons. In large icons there is an option called programs and features. You can select that one. Okay, you need to wait once it's loading everything. Once is loaded now you can type the turn window features on and off. Just you can wait, it's open that one also. Yeah, it's open. You can drag down. You can see there is an option. I will selected the select and checkbox is selected telnet client. Okay, you need to just select this checkbox telnet client. Click on OK. Click on OK. Some processing will be going on and just 1 or 2 minutes the processing will be done and click on OK. And everything all applications you need to close and restart your mission. Okay, once you need to restart your mission, yeah, after you can type this one, the same process only, this is the way only will connected. Okay, any issues will become this way, you need to solve. After just a minute. Yeah, first one, Perpman agent also you downloaded, no? Perpman agent also you have downloaded and you placed, you run. Connect your CMD to plugin manager agent. Yeah, this one you already connected also. Now Perpman plugin jar, Perpman plugin jar added to JMeter lib folder, 2 jars. This one I am already showing, na? Restart JMeter. Okay. Sample test, na? I will prepare sample test. Okay, in 5.4.1 in test plan, just you need to right click, go to add thread and thread group. Under thread group, added to go to sample HTTP request. Under thread group is a very important, add and go to directly in listener. You can see once you need to add it to the Perpman plugin, automatically you need to come to the jp_gc Perpman metric collector. You need to select. After go to thread group, you need to add it to the listener view result string. Okay, it's done, guys. Now I need to go to the any sample application. Yeah, that is application. Yeah, you need to take copy this URL, go to HTTP request and paste it. This is the path. Okay, now it's everything is working fine. I will give an only one only, just for checking it's able to working or not properly. Need to save. Perpman_1. You need to save. Yeah. You need to run that one. Yeah, it's running now. You can see just one request only will send it. There is no any response. Okay, now what you need to do now, first of all I will show you now. You can see in yes, this one only. This is the old one, guys. You can see only two only available, host type and port, and CPU memory collectors will be provide this one. And the latest one, this is the latest plugin in 2022 January 2nd. Okay, just click on add. Host automatically will come. It's not provide anything. The reason it's a local mission, local host only our IP address. Port also same. This is the CPU. I will select totally 4. Same mission, same port. Port will be same only, any application. This is a same only. And you need to select the matrix. You can see there is a drop down box now will become, and this matrix will be provided. I will select memory, CPU memory, network, and I will select the disk. And clients also majorly will looking for server side CPU memory network disk only. This is the higher impact to the server user load will be handling. Okay, now I need to go to, I will mention to the 10 users. I'm not able to mention higher level. The reason, this is my computer, I'm not able to do anything. I will select the, okay, 10 users. Okay, I will provide 20 users. 20 users. Ramp up is 5 infinity. Okay, specify thread lifetime 60 seconds only, not more than. Okay, guys, now you need to show to the test is able to perform to this Perpman. You can start. Yeah, you can see it started now. Yes, is running all the request. You can go this one. You can see there is some matrix is going on now. It's same local host only. A CPU is the, this is the color, this is the CPU guys, this is the way percentage will be going on. Performance metrics will become, okay, how level and localhost memory will be showing same. Okay, what is the duration and how much of percentage will be used, all the things will be provided. This is the CPU, this is the memory, disk is this disk, this green type of color, na, that type of one, and the network is, I'm not sure what is this color exactly. This is the network fluctuation. Okay, this is the plugin manager.org will provided. This type also will be provided. Okay, settings same only. You need to check the graph. Oh sorry, it's already completed test. Okay, this is the guys, this way you need to take the graphs, how we need to run. At the same time, example, this is the mission, is only one mission. I will select the different one. In your point of view, mission point of view, you need to select the CPU, which one you require, CPU, memory, network, disk. You need to take first mission and second mission, third, fourth mission. You need to take all the metrics, and you need to, what you need to observe to the under test, and this graphs everything you need to take the under execution of the test only. Example, you conduct the test in 1 hour time. Once the test will moving to in 30 minutes, in 30 minutes you need to take this all metrics, you need to collect, take this screenshot and place it to any Word document, and each server based you need to place, and you need to write some descriptions. I mean, so what you need to observe under the test, how much of user load, what duration, what is the spikes will become. You need to write all the details, and you need to share to the report to clients only from server metrics point of view. Okay, after you add it to the all the jars. Okay, it's a very important one. Once you need to add it to the jars in JMeter, in perpmon jars will be added now, in lib folder this two, ext folder this two. Anything will be misconfigured, what are the most of the people what will doing now, he will directly will came, will download this file and go to the ext folder. These two files only will add it to the JMeter ext folder. The remaining two is he did not add it. That time what will happen na? Once you need to run the test. Okay, just a minute, I will clear all things. Okay, once you need to run this test now, you will showing the errors. This list errors will be came. The test is not started. That time what will happen, you need to go and click on this one. Example, there is no any issues now, but issues will be came. Example, I will go to this one. Yeah, you can see there is a need help on JPEG JC perpon metric collector error na. No, not this what type of one. Okay guys, I actually did not showing that one anywhere. Okay, you don't worry. Once anything, this agents, this plugins JMeter perpmon plugin, anything will misconfigured and misplaced, anything will be done na, that type of error will, what error will become na, once you need to start the test is not started and you will showing the errors, and you need to click on this one, you will showing something JMeter plugins, JMeter perpmon plugins is missing will be showing, otherwise JMeter unhandled exception errors will become. That time you need to go to the your JMeter JPFJC perpmon plugin, open the file lib folder, this lib totally you need to copy, go to the JMeter lib folder, you need to paste, after come to the ext folder, copy both and go to the JMeter ext folder, paste. After you need to restart the JMeter. How you need to restart now? You can go to the file, there is a restart button. Okay, you need to restart the JMeter. Once you need to restart the JMeter now, what are the changes will be done, everything will apply to the in JMeter, that basic configuration only JMeter will be work. Okay, yeah, maybe this all the things will completed. Yes, sample test run and validate. Okay, how we need to exit this test now? You can go to this one, you can type the some matrix, anything. Maybe this one will work only, will show him. Oh sorry, did not get that one. Starting measure, client disconnected. A present test command, starting message could not get matrix from last register performance class character performance no collector objects metric type, no collector object type, error exiting command. Okay guys, actually there is some error will became. The majorly what will happen now, in test execution time only, you need to get this all the metrics, means you can go to the your command prompt, you can type this metric command na, automatically metrics will be showing, means a CPU memory network disk and swap, what are the things you selected now, all the things will be showing to the in command prompt, how much of utilization, that is also you need to take the screenshot, you need. Okay, and finally I need to close this one and I will disconnect this one. You can type the exit command or shutdown command. Exit is general, you can type the exit, means a single request only na. Your computer point of view, there are multiple requests, means multiple servers, you need to connect it to the your test machine, that time you need to type the shutdown command. Okay, once you need to shut down the command, you will terminate the all the request in same. That is the difference between exit and shutdown. Okay, yeah, now completed to the connection to last host, it's a disconnected now. You can see you will show in a client disconnected. Yeah, simply you need to close, no need to type anything, it's not accepted, just you can close. Okay guys, this topic is completed. Okay, our topic is this one only, how to monitor server health with perpmon in JMeter plugin manager, Apache JMeter tool. Okay, yeah, that's all guys, this video. I will connect to the my next video. Thanks for everyone, bye.